Anyway, I wanted to do a quick review of something I keep in my safe. You can't see this. This is my Stackon. It's a rechargeable dehumidifier, and I found that it works quite well. So it's got the crystals inside that absorb water, a plug right here, and a color coding to follow. My crystals are kind of light blue right now, so there's probably a little bit of moisture in this. Once a month I usually pull the power bar out, plug this sucker in, and through the vents, of course, the humidity comes out. So there are the balls now. I don't know if that's going to focus well. So after about an hour, there's vapor on the window. I'm going to let this continue to discharge humidity for about 1 more hour, and then let it sit for a couple hours to continue to vent off. This is a great little product. Think about how much money that you have in products inside your safe. The cost of this is negligible, $20, $30 depending where you live, and certainly if you don't have power in your safe, what a wonderful little option this is. Thanks for watching.